Hi everyone, today I am turning myself into the Mandalorian. This is my Mandalorian but Varified look. I have already done a Grogu look. This is the makeup look I did and I'm gonna show you how I created this look right now. Alright, so for makeup, I'm once again using my ColourPop Mandalorian and Grogu makeup collection. I used this Grogu palette in my previous video for my Grogu look. And today I'll be using this one, my Mando palette. I love the shine, really adds the illusion of Beskar. Again, I'm gonna use my Grogu mirror. I'm also gonna be using this lip product. It's in the shade Din. So let's go back to the palette. So this is what it looks like. It says, "Wherever he goes, I go." And here you can see Mando holding Grogu, very cute. These are the colors in the palette. There's of course a lot of grays, a lot of silvers, and this kind of mustard yellow color. It's in the shade Navarro Sand. I'm really intrigued by this middle shade because it has like shine to it. So I might swatch that on my hand to determine if I want to use it, but actually I was gonna aim for a really shiny silver eyeshadow look. So I'm just swatching that Clan of Two shade. Oh, that's really pretty. Let me swatch that shade Beskar Steel just to see how shiny it is. Oh yeah, so this one is definitely going on my lid. This one I'm not so sure because it's not really the color I'm looking for, but it is a really pretty shade. Now I'm gonna swatch Imperial Credit because this one is a little bit darker. Oh yeah. Anyway, first I'm actually gonna start with my blush. I already have my foundation on. So for blush, I'm going purple using this MAC blush in the shade Magic Aura. Next, I'm gonna set my face using my Fenty Banana Powder. So just like in my previous video, I brought Grogu back with me. He's actually sleeping right now. Anyway, if he wakes up, well, he just woke up. But if you hear noises, then you know it's Grogu and not me. Last time I also showed you my Grogu plushie, and now I have brought my Mando one because they belong together, of course. So nice, the sparkles in their eyes and mask. Yeah, it's very nice, isn't it? I also have this really cool, adorable scene. Here you can see Luke with Grogu and R2-D2 in the back. So this is a really cool scene to have. Also, look how tiny Grogu is. Moving on to eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna go in my crease with a really dark gray, and that's this one in the shade This Is the Way. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just blending out harsh edges. I think for the first portion, like first half of my lid, I'm going in with Imperial Credit, and then towards the inner corner I'm going in with Beskar Steel. So these eyeshadows really blend together very well. I just have to say that it's not nearly as shiny enough as I want it to be. So to increase the amount of sparkle, I'm going in with this eyeshadow stick by Fenty Beauty in the shade How Many Carats. As you can see, I have not actually tried it. Okay, I would say this definitely makes a difference. I think I'm really happy with that actually. Now I'm gonna use my one size eyeliner to create my winged eyeliner. I'm gonna add a black liner to my waterline, and I'm using this one by Patent Breath Labs. So for lips, I'm gonna use this one, and I think I'm just gonna use that on its own and not use any lip liner. For highlighter, I've gotta match the eyeshadow stick, and I'm gonna use this one by Fenty Beauty in the shade How Many Carats. If you want shiny, you can't go wrong with this one. By the way, this is the shirt I'm wearing today. I do have Grogu with me. I think this art style is very, very cute. Also, how cute is this mug? It says, "Wherever I go, he goes." Alright, so the makeup is done, and now I'm gonna put on my dress. It's this metallic silver dress. I'm gonna show you the entire look once I have accessorized. So again, I have my Grogu jewelry box here with me, and I think for jewelry I have already decided I'm gonna use these silver balls that Grogu plays with in Mando's ship. Usually I tend to go with bigger, flashier, sparklier things, but I think this one is so cute, and I think Mando as a proud dad would totally be wearing this. I'm gonna be wearing this one, this Mudhorn Sigil by Couture Kingdom. I think this is really fitting for Mando because of course this is on his armor, and because this dress is my armor, I'm gonna need a sigil too. This necklace though is really not adjustable, like it only has one hoop over here, so I'm afraid that the necklace is going to be very, very long. This is the standard length of the necklace, but I would want it a little bit more there. Alright, I've just kind of tied it in the back so that it wouldn't fall down. I've made a tiny knot. And this is the necklace. I think it looks really, really nice. So for rings, we're gonna go Swarovski. So I have this one and this one. So throughout the Mandalorian series, Mando does upgrade his armor. So I'm also gonna upgrade mine, and I'm gonna wear these gloves. They're so shiny and they kind of represent my armor. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. Alright, so I have Mando right here, holding, well, carrying little Grogu, which you can also and as you can see, Mando is wearing mostly Beskar armor, so silver with brown accents, so like his shoes are brown as well. And I feel like because I am brown already, I can just wear silver shoes because it's, you know, Varified. Also, look how cool this jetpack is. He also makes sounds just like little Grogu I have over here.
I'm a Mandalorian. This is the way.
This is the way. So for shoes, I wanted my shoes to be as shiny as possible. So I have these boots by New Look. Alright, so this is the entire outfit. So obviously we can't do without bags, and if you've seen my Grogu video, you've already seen my bags. This is my Loungefly Mandalorian helmet. Again, here is the Mudhorn, which I also have over here. And on the back it says, "This is the way." I also added this little Grogu here. But if I would be wearing this as a backpack, it would look like this. Which looks pretty cool, honestly. Like the full-on silver. It's like I'm carrying my helmet on the back. If I would be wearing this, I would be pairing it with my cutie cuff. This one. And now I'm carrying Grogu with me. I think that's so nice, actually. So another option I have is this one by Danielle Nicole. It says "Species Unknown" on the back. It is so sparkly. So for me, this would be the perfect bag. Or if you're really extra, you can just wear both. It also has a little frog over here. So I actually have another accessory that I could be wearing, and that is this Grogu zipper, which I got at Walt Disney World. I think it's so cute. This is his bowl of soup with a little monster in there, and it is a zipper, so you could drink from here. You get thirsty after all that bounty hunting. So this is with the zipper. Gotta say, he's very cute. I like this strap too. It says "The Mandalorian" and Disney Parks, and it features this art of Grogu sipping his soup. So yeah, let me know in the comments which accessory you like most. The zipper, the Mandalorian Loungefly bag, or my Grogu bag. That was my Mandalorian but Varified look. Let me know in the comments what you think, and make sure to subscribe if you like this video. And let me know in the comments who I should verify next, and thank you for watching me sparkle.